So here we are at the start of Round the Rock, Jersey 2020.
That's the celebration.
Whee! Here we go. I'm at the back already. Our first beach, Gronez. This is what an ultra marathon's all about. Riding on the beach. National treasure. Glory Castle. Up the top, goodbye bay. Woohoo!
I'm doing that.
Archie Mondale and St Catharine's, a turning point from North Coast just behind us. Welcome to St Catharine's. Jamie, 20 miles cliff pass.
Looking forward to it.
You ready?
Yes,
Let's
go!
do it. Start of North Coast. Here we go. See you later, Bully Bay, Jamie. Boys aren't talking anymore. It's quite slippery, chaps. Way back up. Hey?
Oh mate, quads are killing. Quads are gone.
Yesterday. Bommy Bay. Next stop, Soul Point. First number bag drop is here. Here's a man in pain. Yeah. Just sitting in the stomach of the bed. Six. With it. That is just before Beauport Bay. A lot of cliffs between here and there. This is a beautiful trail. If you watch this on YouTube and you find a prettier ultra, send it to me.
I'm not feeling that good.
We've got to get going. No time to linger and tell stories yet. More valleys, more stairs. So just over a marathon, this is why this run is so difficult. Every corner there's another hill down and another one that goes back up. It's getting brutal at this point and we're only 42 kilometers in. It's getting tough and I'm certainly feeling the lack of training kicking into the quads. So here we go, we'll find out. Might be a lot of soul searching to do after next checkpoint. See you later.
Welcome to Gronez!
It's the corner of St Ones, turning the penultimate bend back to St Helier. It's got to be 30 degrees and it's 1 o'clock, it's Mad Dog. Mad Dog's energy spend time. That's called, it's got a 5-mile road. Not quite a 5-mile beach, but it's a very, very long way to see in a straight line before you get to that corner. It's Corbière. When you get to Corbière, you want corner left. This is what ultra running is all about, right? Getting out and about, seeing the wilderness, spending time in places like this.
Good man.
Go, dude. Found a bit of sand dune, which is a little soft underfoot. And the family. Yeah, you see it. That is very wet. 5k to
5k to the next water station.
cool. That is St Wan's Bay done. Hey, this is where the training counts, isn't it, Spence?
Right, yeah.
All the training we did.
All prepped.
When did you sign up?
2 days ago.
From that, when we get to there, that is plain sailing into St Helier. Probably about 15. I don't know. I'll work it out. My brain's mashed potato right now. Mashed potato. That'd be nice. The Burrows Bay, up and over there, and it's St Helier. I gotta see St Helier right now. It's getting harder and harder to find the energy to do these videos, but I will continue. Beauport Bay, here we go. Thank you very much, checkpoint people. Hello, last checkpoint. Woo. So we've left St Burrows, now we're heading to Frigate Bay, which is this one. And we've got to go up the cliff face just here to get to the top of a place called Port Common, where we should see the site of St Helier, the final destination. Over. Bye, Burrows. My way now.
Yeah!
Whoa, good.
Last,
Bye.
last hill.
And the one more point, the last point before St Helier. Let's get on with it.
Get on with it.
6 miles. Hoorah! Let's get tabbing. Ooh. 11 hours and 3 minutes. Ooh. Did it. We did it! Woohoo! Well done, man. Well done. So, scores on the doors: 72.12k. Stop the watch. 11:05:06. Not bad. That is the answer. You can do it with no training.
FFC.
FFC. We've upset him.
Legend.
I think that's a broken man.
But I think Mr. Double, I think you're correct.
He's not broken.
He's heroic.
Oh, the damage.
He's heroic.
This doesn't look like a happy man either.
You're right.
How are you?
I'm good, mate.
You alright?
Yeah, cool.
So that was round the rock. 72.12 kilometers. 11 hours, no 05. 5 minutes. It's a challenge, and especially today it was anywhere between 26 to 30 degrees apparently. I would recommend more training than I did, but what a cracking event. It's beautiful. Well organised by Paul and the Trail Monkey team.